Hello everyone, today we are going to draw and color a police car step by step. First, draw a small rectangle at the front of the car. This will be the front bumper. Now draw a slanted line going upward.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou.
Draw a big circle underneath. This is the first wheel.
To my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Draw a straight line.
Ooh, ooh.
Now draw the back side of the car.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh.
Draw another wheel on the back. Make it the same size as the first wheel.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo.
Let's draw the first window. Make a simple window shape near the front.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to.
Draw the second window right beside it. Great! Our police car is really starting to take shape.
Blue, little red wagon, painted blue. Little red.
Finally, draw the police siren on the top of the car.
Lou, Lou.
Now, let's carefully trace over all the lines with this darker, thicker outline.
My Lou, skip.
This will make our police car look neat, bold, and easy to see.
Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2.
Don't forget to add smaller circles inside the wheel.
To my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Now write the word police.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my
Amazing!
Lou, Lou, skip to
Let's bring our drawing to life with colors.
Lou, Lou.
Color the front and back parts of the car bright blue.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner.
Keep watching till the end and subscribe for more drawing and coloring videos.
To my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Now color the windows light blue. Color the headlights yellow. Now color the tires dark gray or black. Finally, color the siren on the top. See you in the next artwork. Bye bye.